Hello boys and girls, so today you've been practicing counting forwards to 50 and counting backwards to 50. Now if this is something you're really confident at, then brilliant, but some people might like to use a number square to 50, just like this one here, to help them as well. So there'll be a number square on your screen, or if you're printing your home learning, you'll have the number square in front of you. And I just want to show you how we count on the number square forwards and backwards, just so we don't make any mistakes. So I'm going to start at number 1, and remember we like to touch count so that we don't miss any. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now when I get to 10, I don't go down the row, I go to the beginning of the next row to number 11. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, back to the beginning of the next row, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and back to the beginning of the next row for 31. And you do that all the way up to 50 at the end here. And if I'm counting backwards, it's similar. So I might start at 50 if I'm counting backwards. 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40. Back to the other side. 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30. And I've got to make that jump when I get to the end of the row. So just be careful with that when you're counting using our number square. So you might have a question that looks a little bit like these two. So here, the first thing I'm going to think is this question, we'll look at this one first, there. Is this question asking me to count forwards or backwards? Now remember, if the numbers are getting bigger, then we're counting forwards. And if the numbers are getting smaller, then we're counting backwards. And I can see here that the numbers are getting bigger. So I'm counting forwards. So you might know just straight away by looking which number comes next and which number's missing. But if you don't, we can use our number square to help us. So the first number in my sequence is 5. So I'm going to find number 5. Got 5, yep, and then 6, and then 7, and the number after 7 on my number square is 8. So I know that the next number in my sequence is going to be the number 8, and I've used my number square to help me. Right, let's have a look at the next one. We've got 35, 34, and 33. Now here I know that 5, 4 and 3, it's getting smaller every time. So this time, if I'm going to use my number square, I'm going to have to count backwards. So here I'm back at my number square. I'm starting on the number 35 this time, going to 33. So I'm here 35, 34, 33, and the next number is 32. So I know that my missing number this time is 32. Notice when I was counting backwards, I was going this way. Doesn't matter where you start, 29, 28, 27, you go this way across the number square if you're counting backwards. If I'm counting forwards, 12, 13, 14, 44, 45, 46, I'm going that way. I'm going across the number square that way.